so that we can murder this ride iron bag with some water. I mean, already I can tell that nothing is getting through this bag. This is literally awesome. I'll hit it every single direction possible. And like I said, I have Alpine Star vented boots in here, my gloves. It literally just rolls down like that, by the way, and then clips in with these clips right on the side. And we'll get to all the little features, don't worry. But just to prove the waterproofness right out the bat, here are my Alpine Star gloves that you see in every video, perfectly clean. Here are my second gloves. Here's a fun little package that we're gonna get to. Third set of gloves. And boom, now we have all of the extra straps and stuff that go with this bag, because this fits so well on the back of any adventure bike, any motorcycle that has strap, like saddlebag ability. This comes with everything that you're gonna need. I also have my Icon riding shoes. These are perfect for when I'm commuting to work. I don't like to wear my race boots all over the place, so I commute to these so that I still have some protection, and ride irons. So that will be a really cool review if we can do that. And then one of my most favorite things I will keep in this ride iron bag is going to be my Tramoto trauma kits. You guys have been seeing these all over the place, so I don't really need to get into them today. But that's how it looks with the kits on the waist belt. It's really cool. And then look, we're still going deep into this bag. Deep into this thing. We have our, boom, our race boots. Look at these things, guys. Completely dry, not a single problem. Go adventure riding, whatever you need to do with this bag, it doesn't matter, because all of your valuables inside are staying completely. And let's get to this little package here that I said we would get to at the beginning, because there is a very cool little thing, personalized touch about this bag. Ride Iron hooked it up with my very own custom 2-down patch for right here on the Ride Iron logo. So sick, you guys. So when I'm carrying my bag around, you know exactly who owns it. So that's really cool. And even better, I have all of these extra Tramoto Velcros that even fit right on there as well. So Tramoto times 2-down times Ride Iron. I mean, this is literally an unbeatable trio. So if you guys do not have your Tramoto yet and you are riding unprepared, get out there and get one of these. Use code 2DownDan both at Tramoto and Ride Iron, because these products do not lie, do not miss. They are legit. So those are the patches. And then let me just kind of show you some of these straps real quick to show you. They give you these small ones right here for connecting like that. And then they also give you 4 of these much longer straps to, again, connect in wherever you need. Tie these things down to any saddlebag extension of your motorcycle. You cannot go wrong with that. So perfect.